Hello guys, today we are going to do a problem max product subarray of Leetcode. So let's understand the problem first. Given an integer array nums, find a continuous non-empty subarray within the array that has the largest product and return the product. So let's understand the problem with an example. So here we have given an array of having length 4, 2, 3, minus 2 and 4, and we have to find out the subarray having the max product. So in this example, my max product will be 2 into 3, that is 6, right? So let's understand how we can do first initially with a brute force manner. So in a brute force manner, we have to consider each and every subarray and find out the product and check that whether it's a max or not, right? So in a brute force manner, we can do this problem in a big of n scale. But if we can see the constraint here, my constraint is that my array size will be at max 2 into 10 to the power 4. So it means we have to do this problem in a single traversal, right? So let's understand how we can do this problem in a single traversal. So let's consider that my array only consists of positive and negative numbers. So initially I am excluding the 0 basically. So my array only consists of positive and negative number. If I'm saying that my array only consists of positive and negative number, then I'm also claiming that my max product will always start from either from the first index or from the last index. It means I'm saying that my max product subarray always touches the boundary of an array. So let's prove this claim. So let's suppose that there is a subarray that is not touching the boundary, and I'm calling that subarray, let's say x, right? So there is another subarray. I'm call this subarray as a. It means that subarray starts and ends before x, and there is another subarray b that starts and ends after x. So let's suppose x is my max product subarray that is not touching the boundary of subarray. So I can explain with an example here, like what I'm trying to say. So let's suppose this is my array, and I'm claiming that x, this, let's suppose this is x, and I'm claiming this is my max product subarray. So let's suppose I'm saying this is x basically. So I'm saying that a will be this subarray and b will be this subarray, and I'm saying that x is my max product subarray. So I have to prove this, right? So there are four possibilities basically. So let's copy the possibilities here. If I'm saying that x is my max product subarray, then my a or b, that is also a subarray having product a and b. Then if b is negative and a is positive, then a must be the part of my max product. It means if I multiply a with x, then I'll get the bigger number. So a must be the part of that, right? Similarly, if I'm saying that x is my max product subarray, and if a is negative and b is positive, then b must be the part of my max product subarray. And if both a and b is negative, then I'll multiply a and b with x and I'll get the bigger number, because with minus a, b and minus a will become positive, right? So my claim is that basically if my array consists of only positive and negative numbers, then my max product subarray either start from the first index or from the last index, right? So I have proved this with this example. So now include the zero part basically. So if I'm saying that my array consists of 0 basically, let's suppose this is the point where I consist of 0. So what we can do here, if my array consists of 0, we can divide the problem into two part basically. My first subarray will be like this, and second subarray will be after the 0. It means we can do the same before the 0 and after the 0, right? So let's write the code how we can do this. And so let's suppose I am declare an answer variable, and I am claiming that it is the integer dot min value. Right. So I am declaring a variable max product. I am assigning with 1. I is equal to 0, I less than equal to num dot length I plus plus. So I am saying that my max product will be max product into nums of I, right? In answer I am taking math dot max product or my answer. If my max product is 0, then I am setting as max product as 1. It means if the 0 comes, then I'll traversing the next part of a subarray, right? So this is here I am traversing from the start index, and similarly I'll copy this code and I'll set as max product again 1 and int. Here I'm traversing from the last of the array. So I greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. Mp dot nums of I, mp is 0, yeah. So just return the answer. So what I am doing here is I have assigned a max product variable as 1, and here I am like I already said, if my array consists of only positive and negative number, then my max product subarray either start from the first index or from the last index, right? So what I am doing here, this loop is starting from the first index basically, and I am calculating my max product subarray, and if I encounter any 0, then I'll set as max product as 1 and put answer in a max. Similarly, here I am traversing from the last of the index and doing the same thing, right? So at the end I am returning my answer. So let's run the code. So yeah, and let's submit it. So yeah, thank you guys.